Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of integers. This is second question of its exercise 1.1. So the question says that in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what is his total at the end? So हमें in Jack's score given है in 5 successive rounds 25 minus 5 minus 10 15 and 10 and हमें find out करना है Jack's total score at the end. So जगह सबका sum 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 plus minus minus 5 minus plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So plus 10 से minus 10 cancel out हो जाएगा. 25 plus 15 is equal to 40 minus 5 is equal to 35. So Jack's total score at the end is 35. Thank you.